In today's video, I'll show you guys 5 platforms where you can get paid for 60-second videos. Literally for taking your phone, recording yourself or recording items that is in store for 60 seconds and get paid handsomely and great. There are 5 platforms that pay anyone from $100 to $500. If you are interested to know what are these websites, what they are, how they work and where to get them, stay till the end of this video because I'll be taking you through all of these apps in detail. If you are new here, welcome to the Yash Media channel. We make videos about how to make money online, and if you're interested in this type of content, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Without wasting any time, let's get into the video. There are many different companies willing to pay people for short video clips, and I'm talking about from 30 to 60 seconds of video clips. This is because these companies are manufacturing so many products and sending it to so many retail stores that they want to see how their product stands against so many other products and how you would like to use their product. So I will be sharing the different apps and websites that do this type of things. So for the first website, it's available for Android and iOS. It's worldwide. There's many opportunities. Many researchers want to research in your location, but what this platform is all about is an app that has opportunities for you to go into different supermarkets and snap out video clips of products that are placed in certain stores to see how they fare out in front of similar products, and also maybe show a bit of shelving to see how the products are placed in the store, and they'll pay you for that. Imagine guys, the app that I am talking about is ProductTube. As you can see here, they say shopping for groceries, standard time spent shopping into earning additional dollars. This application works really simple. All you have to do is download it in your mobile device, upload the videos using your mobile device of the products directly from your phone using the Android or iOS app. You'll start receiving invites to participate, follow the instructions and record your videos. You will receive your rewards within 5 business days via Amazon. Guys, it's great. You can buy anything on Amazon with your rewards, Amazon gift cards. And guys, just in case you want to turn your Amazon gift cards into PayPal cash or bank account cash, you can go into a platform called ATM and transact with other exchanges to exchange your Amazon gift into PayPal money or money in your bank account. The second website is where you can get paid for cooking videos and to test out different products, not just for cooking, and also small activities and tasks can be performed, and you can earn up to $150. The website is called Dscout. This is another amazing money making app where they will let you know whenever there are videos recording tasks that are available for you based on your profile when you are signing up to the platform. But here it is to get started. You simply select get started over here, then you select become a scout to start the sign up process, and you'll see here that they say get rewarded for sharing your experience, scout, participate in engaging research mission, get paid for their feedback and help shape their products and services they loved. And so the steps for the process are as follows: you complete missions, you share photos and videos, so you participate remotely through your smartphone and on your schedule, you answer multiple choice questions. Basically guys, short answers, photos and videos, questions. This is an amazing platform that will pay you via PayPal. At number 3, we have an app called MindSwamps. This is another video survey platform where you'll be asked questions and you are expected to reply via video. So you literally record yourself using your phone replying to different questions. This is it over here. Most of the information on the homepage are for recruiters or market researchers, guys. So you'll see here they say ask questions, get video answers, help innovate your brand by using mobile video service to understand the emotion of your customers. And that's what it's all about. Different recruiters and market researchers here recruit people like you and I to tell them what they think about their products and just to see what their emotions and what they expect them to answer. using the video answers. So you'll see here they say video answers 1 minute self-recorded video responses are viewable, downloadable and shareable via a link, and that's what you would do. You record 1 minute answers to different questions. MindSwamps is not widely available, so it's important that you try and sign up to find out if they are available in your country or area. This next website is widely available money making app that will pay you for using different software applications and products, recording yourself using it and letting the recruiters know your experience of using those different products, application, websites and softwares. It's called UserLytics, guys, and it's the platform that I'm looking at here on my screen. To get started, you'll come to get paid to test over here, and all the information that you will need to start signing up and all of the details will be available for you here at UserLytics, guys. Also in 3 simple steps. So after signing up by selecting start earning, guys, here you then sign in and complete your profile. Your profile information is very important in letting people know the opportunities that you will be offered, guys. So this your profile will tell them what opportunities you are looking for. You'll then receive an invitation to complete the test. It is a simple test that will require you to perform simple activities, just to test whether you'll be able to manage different tasks in the platform. You will then receive payments when you complete real tests, depending on the test. But you'll see here they say you will earn between $5 to $90 payable all into your PayPal account. That easy, guys. The last website is another website on my list, truly worldwide available money making app that will pay you directly into your PayPal as gift cards. Many more here. You'll make money by recording short video clips of yourself doing different tasks or other people in your household. It's designed to help train AI and to grow AI, so that if you're interested in that, stick with me until the end of this video, as I'll be taking you through this platform and giving you more details. But before we do that, let me take this opportunity to thank you for watching this video so far. If we are meeting for the first time, thank you so much for turning into this platform, into the Ash Media channel. I share information on how to make money online, and that's what you can expect to learn more of in this channel. Now this platform is called Clickworker, right? Clickworker is the platform. As you can see here, it's about AI training data. So AI, you give AI a data set, and hence they train different AI applications, robots with different data sets. They've got a lot of opportunities besides recording small video clips that they will pay you for, such as annotating audio, tracing item surveys, watching videos, many more opportunities on the platform. To get started, you need to come to the home page, select and money is a sleek worker. You'll start the sign up process, which they will guide you through. But you'll see here that they say make money from anywhere, anytime, and that's the beauty of this platform. You can work at your own pace, anywhere, anytime, and this platform is available for both iOS and Android, right, which is great. And you can download it on your mobile phone for all of these platforms. Check out the reviews of this platform. There's lots of great reviews about this platform.